Hello friend, in this video you are about to learn that how to make cylindrical hole in a sphere. So let's start this tutorial. Press Shift A, under mesh, select cube. Now click on this modifier properties, then click on this add modifier and select here subdivision surface modifier. Increase level viewport value, that is 3. Now again click on this add modifier and select here cast modifier. Now change its factor value, that is 1. Now first apply this subdivision surface modifier, then apply this cast modifier. Now zoom a little bit like this. Now press 7 for top view. Switch to edit mode. Now press Shift Z and select this mid vertex like this. Now click on this vertex and select here bevel vertex. Now just drag mouse like this. Now left click to confirm this. Expand this bevel option. Change segments value, that is 2, and also change its shape, that is 0.1. Now you can change width from here like this. Now press Shift Z. Now select this vertex like this. Then press J to join. Again select vertex like this. Then press J to join. Do process like this. Now press Ctrl 7 for bottom view and repeat previous step here. Now press Shift Z and select this mid vertex. Now press Ctrl X to dissolve vertex. Now turn on face selection mode. Then press Shift Z. Select this face. Holding Shift, select this top face. Then click on this edge and select here bridge edge lobes. Now click on this modifier properties. Then click on this add modifier and select here subdivision surface modifier. Increase level viewport value like this. Now you can see this type of glitch. So we have to fix it. So press Ctrl R and give loop cuts like this. Now press Ctrl 7 for bottom view, and also we have to give loop cuts here by pressing Ctrl R. Now switch to object mode. Now right click and select here shades mode. You can see that everything is fine, but there is a problem here. So first disable this modifier by clicking on this icon. Now switch to edit mode. Now we have to add loop cuts here. So press Ctrl R, give 2 loop cuts. Now press S, then Z and scale on Z axis like this. Turn on face selection mode. Double click on this face like this. Now press Ctrl I. Now press Ctrl minus for select less. Now click on this object data properties. Under this vertex groups, click on this plus icon. Now click on this assign. Also scroll down like this. Then expand this normal option and enable this auto smooth option. Now click on this modifier properties. enable this subdivision surface modifier. Now click on this add modifier and select here cast modifier. Change its factor value, that is 1. Now switch to object mode and you can see something like this. Now under this vertex group, select here group. Now we can see that we have nice sphere with hole. I hope you learned something from this video. Leave your comments and subscribe this channel.